have a super exciting unboxing, so stay tuned. I have already opened the packaging, but now you're gonna see what's inside. So this is a piece I've been wanting for a really long time, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and I really wanted it to be pre-loved because it's quite pricey and I know I'm gonna ruin it because I'm so clumsy. This I've been wanting for, I don't know, 5 years, and finally it's mine. So let's open it. I don't know if you saw my last vlog. I think it was the last one. I did receive this packaging and it came with lovely tissue paper around. Then it came in this box. A box, it's a bag. And ta-da! Here we have the piece. And if you can see here, it's Steven Sprouse logo and it's Louis Vuitton. So my god, look at this. Woo. It's the Steven Sprouse stole, I think it's called, for Louis Vuitton. And as you can see, the only one saying it's Louis Vuitton is this. And it's a giant stole. And yeah, I think this will be just perfect in the, anytime. So really excited for this, and really excited that I got my hands on it, and it was in good shape. The only thing is it's a little snatch somewhere, but these are so delicate and thin, so it will be snatches all over it anyway, so I don't bother that. Well, look at this print. I love it. You know, I love a good Leo print, and I think it's just beautiful. And it's so soft. We can see, I think it's a label here somewhere. Oh, this is a little bit loose, but I can easily attach it again. And here you can see it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, and this is dry clean only. It's 70% cashmere and 30% silk, so yeah, it's ginormous, but I love it and I think it's fabulous, and you can wear it plenty lot of ways, like this for example. It's so cozy. Anyway, this is a really key piece in my collection. I will do a video with pieces you need in your collection and stuff, so this is a really good key piece. Just add a little extra something to your outfit without it being too much. Well, for somebody maybe Leo is over the top, but I think Leo anyway is pretty basic nowadays, so yeah, love it. And I can say this is from a shop called Delicate Vintage, and I bought several stuff from them, and the service is always excellent. It's free shipping and they are really fast with the shipping, so really love them. Yeah, that's about it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. More videos coming. It's gonna be fashion, maybe beauty, lifestyle vlogs. Yeah, you know the drill. Anyway, oh, I can say jewelry I'm wearing is from my own line. It's Klinton collection, and this is the Paris bracelet. It's a big, thick, chunky chain with a stone, so love it. Anyway, hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye! Kram!